Hello guys, it's Nintendo Ayus, and on today's video I'll be going to show you how to run root apps in your Android device without having root access on your Android phone. Yes, it is possible. We can run root apps, means the apps that require roots in your Android device. No worries if your Android device don't have that root access. No need to root your phone. You can just run root the apps that require roots in your Android device. So let's get started. So, okay. So for that you need an app called VMOS app. Let me show you. I've downloaded it. Here is the VMOS app. It actually helps you to run any root apps, means the apps that require roots in your Android device. So let me show you if I have root access in my Android device or not. Go to the root checker app and I'm going to verify the root, and as you can see I don't have root access in my Android device. So but we can run root apps in our Android device without having root. So first you have to download this VMOS app. So it is not found in Play Store, you have to download it from Google. So I'm going to Google and just type here VMOS download, and you can download the VMOS from this site www.vmos.com, and here are its features. VMOS comes with an root environment, means VMOS actually creates an virtual Android environment which have the root in that environment. So it actually creates an virtual environment of Android device. So you can run any apps that require root without having root your phone. So just click here VMOS download and it will start to download. So I have already downloaded it as I have shown you, so I am going to close it. So it downloads, and here it will, after completing downloads, is 312 MB. So after completed downloads, click on this APK file, and as normally you install your APK files just like that, it will be installed. So after installing, it will look like this. Here the app VMOS app will come. Now what you have to do is just run this VMOS app. It will take some time if you are running it very first time, but after that it will be loaded uh, even more faster than what I am showing. And as you can see, it has cam that VMOS interact. As I have told you that it creates an virtual Android environment and it have the root access. So for you to have root access, it will not be available for the first time if you are running this. So for that you need to uh, allow the root. So go to the settings tab, and in settings go to system setting and go down, and here you will see developer option, but it will not be available if you are running first time. So for enabling it, go into about phone and tap on the build number several times, and you can see no need, you are already a developer. So I am a developer, but after clicking several times the developer option, so yes, so after that developer option will be available, no need to worry. So go back and go to developer option, and here you can see it is telling me grant root permission. So just click it on and it will tell you to restart. So just here you can see, just turn it here off and then again open it, and after opening, root will be available in this Android phone. Now after having the root, you can write anything. So let me show you if it have root or not. Just go to root check app, and you can click here to verify your root. And as you can see, consistent root access is properly installed on this device. But if you are running it first time, and if you have the root access, and if you are running this app for the first time, it will tell you to allow that super user, means it will ask you to have the permission to have root access or not. So let me show you some other device. I am going to Play Store. Yes, it have Play Store and have the internet connection, and you can just click here root, and it will show you some apps that require roots. And as I've show you that root is properly installed on this device, but let me show you some other apps that require root. What is Wi-Fi password root? So this app actually requires a root, but in this virtual environment you have that root, so go and install it. As I am being show you that the apps that require roots run on Android device, and this app actually requires a root. As you can see, root, it requires root. So wait until it installs, and yeah, it is installed. Now click on open, and 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 you can see this thing, super user request. So after installing any app that requires root, it will ask you to have the permission, and every time you should do remember my choice forever. And you can super user granted the root access to that. And when it will be opened, it will look like this, and this app is actually running on your Android device. And if you try to run it on your original Android device, means original on Android, it will not run. So in this way you can run any apps that require roots on your Android device, just like that. So if you don't agree, this is the app that. So now I will show you that it doesn't runs on your own Android device. So I am going to off it. And now let's download it in our original Android software. This was the app that I have run it on that Android interface, but this device doesn't have the root, so it will not be able to run it in this device. And it appears that your device is not rooted. In order to obtain the stored path, root access is required. And as you can see that in this device we don't have the root, and it is not running. So in this way you can run any root apps, means the app that require roots, on your Android device by using this Vmos app. And thank you, and please do subscribe and like to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.